So to understand this filling of electrons, we will learn Aufbau principle. Now we have seen that in the first period we have 1s, in the second period we have 2s and 2p or second orbit, in the third orbit we have 3s, 3p, 3d, in the fourth orbit we have 4s, 4p, 4d and 4f. Similarly in the fifth orbit we have 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f and 5g. Now when we are filling electrons, first we fill 1s, next we fill 2s, next we fill 2p and then 3s. So we are coming actually from this end. First we fill this and then we fill this, then we fill 3p, and after filling 3p, so you cannot simply fill 3d, you have to go to 4s. And now after filling 4s, you cannot simply fill 4p, you have to actually fill 3d first, then 4p and then 5s. So that is why this arrow. So this arrow means first we are filling 1s, then we are filling 2s, then we are filling 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, and then 3d, then 4p, 5s. This seems very hard to remember, right? So that's why you can remember this alternative path. This is how I remember this electron filling orbitals. So I remember like this s. So this is a lonely s, just one s. Now here s has p, so s is not single anymore. When it has a partner, I write square because it is not single anymore. So first it is s, then sp square, sdp square, sfdp square. Then what? Now what does it mean? So first when the electron will come, that will fill s, and again it will be sp square, means next line it will be s and p, and again there will be another sp because it was sp square, right? So s, then sp square, now sdp square. So next line there will be s d p and again another sdp because it was square. Next it will be sfdp square. So again next I have to write s, then f, then d and p. Similarly I have to write another sfdp which I am not writing. Now what I will do, so this is kind of pyramid like order, right? First we have s on top, then sp, again sp, then sdp, again sdp. Now you have to remember, so these s and p are actually ns np, means this one is the first row, right? So this one will be 1s. Now this s and p, these are in the second row, so it will be 2s, 2p. This one in the third row, 3s, 3p. And next this one is the fourth row. According to that, according to which pyramid I am writing, this one comes in the fourth row, so this one will be 4s. Now in case of d, you have to write n minus 1. In case of s and p, it will be nsnp. In case of d, it will be n minus 1d, and in case of f, it will be n minus 2f. So this one is the fourth row, so I will write 4s, and n minus 1 means 4 minus 1, so 3d, and then 4p. Now again this one is the fifth row according to my pyramid, so I will write 5s. This one will be n minus 1, so 5 minus 1 means 4d, and again this one is the np, means 5p. in case of this one is actually 6s, and in case of f we have to write n minus 2. So in the sixth row it will be 6 minus 2 means 4f, and d will be n minus 1, so 6 minus 1 it will be 5d, and again np, so 6p. So I remember this pyramid, and whenever I am doing any electronic configuration, I will quickly draw this S, SP, SP, SDP, SDP, and SFDP. So first, electron will be filled in 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, 3p, then 4s, 3d, 4p. After that 5s, 4d, 5p, then 6s, 4f, 5d, and 6p. So you can remember either this Aufbau principle, you can write down and then put these arrows to determine that where the electron will be filled first, or you can do like this pyramidal way.
Hey genius, I hope you liked the video and the concepts are clear. So if you want to know more and if you want to learn more, you can go and check the periodic table and periodic trends folder. I have already uploaded 7 lectures on this topic. Please go and watch all those 7 lectures. I hope it will be very useful for you. And if you think these videos are knowledgeable, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.